What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we have Serato crew cab in for some double sunroofs, starlight kit, and black suede on the headliner. Let's check it out. Alright, we're ready to start taking out the headliner. Got it all off. We're going to be cutting our supports on this middle one. That middle one could probably stay there, this one, and then we'll end up cutting that one right there. Headliner's there, marked our center line, sunroofs right here. Alright, let's get it. Alright guys, we got the sunroofs installed. Working on the headliner now. Sunroof and the second one. Got everything installed. We're gonna work on the headliner and get the holes cut out, and then we're gonna wrap it in suede, and then we'll start the headliner process of the starlights. Alright guys, install's done. It did take me a little while. The starlights is what takes the longest to do, but it is the next day. They dropped it off Friday evening. I started it Saturday morning. Got the double sunroofs installed, and it's just the starlights put on back together. Little touches this early in the morning, and she's ready to go. Call the customer up, let her know it's ready. Double sunroofs, starlights. There she is, guys. Another one done. Satisfy customers. Double sunroofs. That Rob's Customs on there.